Welcome, this is the Galaxy A24 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch Google app, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Scroll to the voice Google Assistant section and tap to Hey Google and voice match. Here you'll see Hey Google option, and just to activate this option we should click on the switcher, then just tap to more I agree once again, next, and here we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. And if you want an assistant to recognize your voice, like in my case, you should just add your voice model. To do that, just click to retain voice model and repeat after the assistant, like the okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And after that, just tap to next, not now. And after that, when you will say okay Google or hey Google, you could see that this option successfully enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.